Today is tomato sauce day. We got Jerry on the assembly line. He's not too happy. He's working on a Sunday. And we got Mommy. It's my mom's birthday today. Happy birthday, Nonna.
Thank you.
Oh, are you having a good birthday?
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, this is her dream. This is her birthday wish, to do her tomatoes today on her birthday. Oh, look. Here is the first set of jars with the basil. Okay, we got the boys here on the assembly line. No supervising. Good job, guys. And then we got Gavin over here filling up the jars with the ready-made tomato sauce, and we got more cooking over here. Big day, big day. I made a beautiful frittata. You guys, when you're ready, I made a frittata for you. I tried one, that piece is missing.
That's the last one.
This is the last one? Okay, and then you can enjoy the frittata I made it with asparagus. Okay, guys. I also picked some fresh figs. This is all for my mom's birthday today. And I also made a lasagna. It's right underneath. I made a white lasagna. Happy birthday to Nonna. Ooh. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nonna. Happy birthday to you. That's right. Make a wish.
Yeah, come on, I wish.
Whoa.
Yay! Good job. Clap your hands, guys.